1, 2, 3, 4. For destination, yeah, yeah. It's good that I knew I should. The world was made up of this brotherhood of men, whatever that means. And I cried and I cried and I cried, I cried on a bone, whatever, but about bone, oh yeah. Dun, 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 dun. And you can also play with the capo. I'll start the tutorial in a second. Sweet. So, what's up, guys? Welcome to another song lesson in this course. This is What's Up by Four Non Blondes. Pretty cool song. We're going to play without a capo for now, but you can, or let's actually do it with capo on 7 or on 5. The original will be capo 7. If you want to sing along with the original. We're going to do capo 5. If you look at the chord chart, you'll see it's pretty basic. It's just got 4 chords that are repeating the whole time. Okay, and those 4 chords are D, E minor, and G. Okay. Now we're going to do the strumming and picking. So the easy strumming is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And then you can add up strums as you feel. 2, 3, 4. The harder strumming is going to be on this PDF. I'll show you at the end. This is going to be the strumming. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 and up, down, down, down. Okay, so if you practice that, and then the picking pattern for this song would be like this. Pima, P-I-M-A. Thumb follows the root note. The other 2 fingers stay on these 2 strings, but the thumb follows the root note. There you have it, guys. Another song in the pocket. Just repeat those chords: D, G, A, D. 1 bar in each, and then you're good to go. Cheers. See you in the next video. And I got another camera. What do you guys think about this one? This is nice, eh? Yeah, anyway, cool. Bye.